Hi, I'm Dr. Lillard. Last week, we learned how the elements connect to the structure of the periodic table. This week, we are connecting the topics of atoms and isotopes back to elements and periodic table and forward to ions and matter. We're already starting to see how the concepts join together to create a network of information, even within our small corner of the chemistry universe. These connections are also happening outside of the chemistry content. Collectively, we are sharing conversations on Zoom and discussion boards where we are gaining insight from one another about how to improve our understanding of both chemistry and the learning process, myself included. Soon, our course content will start to shift toward math-based problem solving. I don't want you to stress out. Here's why. When we learn new things, when we strategize about solving problems, and when we think critically, our brains are right there with us, actually building new internal connections between the brain cells called synapses. When we challenge ourselves with learning, as math often does, our brains are becoming stronger to help us out. That's neuroscience. Now, I don't expect every student to connect with every topic or every lecture, or even with me every minute of every day. I do hope that maybe you're starting to connect this class with feelings of strength and trust, and that you're able to recognize the value in these connections, both as students and as human beings living in the real world. I'll see you next time.